Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the second part of the 6th chapter Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor of class 5 subject Mathematics. Let's start the class. Now at first we will talk about the topics of today's class. So the first topic is dice game, the second is common multiples, and the third is puzzle. Now come to the first topic, which is dice game, and at first we will start to read it. So throw two dice together. Okay, as you all know about the dice, here we have the picture of dice. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces the dice? Okay, suppose that we have, these are our two dice and we have throw this and we got numbers. So in first dice we have 1, so write here 1, and in second dice we have 4, so you can write 4. So how many numbers we can make from 1 and 4? So first it will be 14 and second is 41. Clear? Yes, these two number we made it. Now what we have to do? Make 2-digit number using them. We have already made it. If it is a multiple of any of the numbers written next to circles, you can write it in that circle. Then it is your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. Oh, so it's a game finally, and you can play with your friend. But how you will play? With writing the multiples. So as we have taken the first example and we got two numbers, first is 41 and second is 14. So as you know that 41 has no multiple, means it is not a multiple of any other number, and 14, yes, it's a number of it's a multiple of, you can write 1 first, then 2 and 7. So these are the, so 40 is the multiples of 1, 2 and 7. We noted. Now in this way you can give the second turn to your friend, and at last who will write the more multiples, he will be the winner. And here I have 3 and 2 on my dice. So 3 and 2. So what number will you make? First you can make 23 and second you can make 32. And 23 is not a multiple of any other number. So you will, you know that 32 is a multiple of number. So you can write the multiples, means the numbers whose multiple is 32. So 1, you can write 2, then you can write 4, then 8, then other numbers. Now I make 23, it is not the multiple of any of the numbers, so I will make 32, which is a multiple of 4, and write it in the red circle. So here we have 4, 6, 5, 7 numbers and their circles, so here we can write that number. And next we have common multiples. So the word is, try to understand this word, common multiples. So you all know about the multiples. In the first video we have already discussed about it. If you have not watched that, so the link I will give in the description box, you will check out there and you will know about the multiple. So common multiples, we have to know that what is a common multiple. So to understand this common thing, means common multiple, I am going to do an activity. For example, there are two friends, Ravi and second is Kishan. So Ravi has 3 fruits. First is mango, second is apple, and last is banana. Okay, 3 type of fruits Ravi has. And similarly Kishan has grapes, oranges and mangoes. So now you will tell me, dear students, that which fruit they have common. So yes, they both have mangoes in common. So mango is their common fruit. Clear? So it is a common fruit. Similarly, the multiples which are common of two number is known as common multiples. So through the activity we will understand it. So think of a number. If it is multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, then write in the blue circle. So here we have circles, and let's take some numbers like 6, 10, 12, 15 and 20. Okay, we have taken this 5 number. So now you will check that the first number is a multiple of 3 or 5. Yes, no doubt it is a multiple of 3. Now go to the second number, that is 10, and it is a multiple of 5. So here in the blue circle you will write 10. Next number is 12. So it is not a multiple of 5, so it is a multiple of 3. So you will write here 12. Next is 15. 15 is a multiple of 5. So you can write here. And also it is a multiple of 3. Now last number is 20. So 20 is, yes, multiple of 5. Clear? Now here you can see that 6, 12, 5, 15 are the multiples of 3, and 10, 15, 20 are the multiples of 5. So in this both circles you can see that 15 is common. Okay, so this 15 you will write here in this purple box. Okay, this purple box show that it is a common number, means common multiple of 3 and 5. So 15 is the common multiple of 3 and 5. So here is a question that where do I write 15? It is a multiple of both 3 and 5. Yes, it is a multiple of 3 and 5, and in purple box you will write it. Now next, some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common. Yes, the numbers which are multiples of 3 and also of 5, so they are known as common multiples. Through an example I have defined this word, that what are common things. So next thing, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then they will they still be in both the red and blue circles? So in red and blue circles, yeah, they may be. Okay, because they are multiples of that numbers 3 and 5. So separately you can write, and in only purple part you will write the common multiples. Now here is a question: which is the smallest among these common multiples? So yes, first we found 15 as a common multiple, and this is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 5. Next, repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. Okay, so let's repeat it. First we will write the multiples of 2. So you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 12, then 14, 16, 18, and then 20. You can write till 20 and more, because 2 has infinite multiples. Every number has infinite multiples, so you can write many more, but we are taking only few numbers. Next number is 7. So let me write here 7. 7 1 just 7, then 7 2 just 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and many more. So here you can check that which number are common in these lines. So you can check that 14 is common in both numbers. Then here we have 20, and if you will write more numbers, so you will get 22, 26, and 28. So here you will see that 28 are common in both numbers. So you got 14 and 28. So you can write here common multiples of 2 and 7 is 14 and 28, and many more numbers. Okay. Now in the next page, repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5. Okay, so that activity we are doing with 2 numbers. Now we have 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. So let's do it with 4, 5 and 6. So what we have to do? First we have to observe this circle. Red circle means this part, only this part, means here you will write the multiples of 4. This white part in yellow circle you will write the multiples of 6, and in this blue part here you will write the multiples of 5, and in this shaded part which is with 4 and 5, here you will write the common multiples of 4 and 5 only, and in this green circle you will write the multiples of 5 and 6, and in this saffron color you will write the common multiples of 4 and 6. So now let's start to write the common multiples. We are going to try to find the common multiples. So first we have to write the multiples of 4. So let's start to write it. First we will write 4, then 8, then 12, 16, then 20, then 24, then 28, 32. So we have not sufficient space, for that I am writing outside. Okay, but you will not write outside. Here I have no space for writing the number, so I am writing outside. Now I can write 36, 40, then 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. Till 60 I am writing the numbers. Now for the 6 I am writing the multiples. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. These are the multiples of 6. Now for multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Okay, so multiples till 60 we have written. Now in saffron color means here we have to write the common multiples of 4 and 6. So the multiples from 4 and multiples from 6, you have to find out the common, which is common. So first you can check, here is 4, 12 and here is also 12. So first common multiple for 4 and 6 is 12. Now the next is, you can check 24. So you can write here 24 in a saffron color part. Next you can get 36. So write here 36. Next you can write 48, then 60. So let me take another color. Okay, here we can write 48 and also we can write 60. So these are the common multiples of 4 and 6 only. Now come to the green part. Here we have tried the common multiples of 5 and 6. So first common multiple is 30. So you can write here 30 and another one is 60. Now come to this part. Here we have tried the common multiples of 4 and 5. So the first common multiple is 20. Yes. So write here 20. Next common multiple is 40 and last is 60. Okay. So now here we have the last part, which is in gray color. Here what number we have to write? So here we will write the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6. Okay, a multiple which is common of 4, 5 and 6. So how we can find? So here we have common multiples, you can see, of 4, 5, 4, 6 and 5, 6. So from this part you can find out, so which number is common among them. So you will find that 60 is common, right? 60 is common. So 60 is the common number of 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Yes, it was a little calculation, but yeah, it was very easy. Now next some questions are here. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? So we write 30 and 60. Yes, we have done it already. What common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? Yes, in saffron part we are saying that. So that were 12, 24, 36, 48 and last was 60. Yes, these were the numbers. Next, in which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6? So in the gray part, and that was 60. What is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So here this number we have to write here, 60. Okay, now we have the third part of our today's class, that is puzzle. So let's start to read it first. Tamarind seeds, this is the topic. Sunita took some tamarind, means imli seeds. She made groups of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. Okay, for example, if there is a 6 imli, okay, so she made a group of 5 and one was left. For example, it was just for your example, okay, and nothing. Next, she tried making groups of 6 and groups of 4. Each time one seed was left over. Okay, now she was making another groups with 6 and 4. So at that time what happens? One seed was also remaining. So what is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had. So what is the smallest number? So how can you find? For that I have a method. We have two methods, okay, but first I am using my own method, that is I say desi style, okay, desi method I say. So first what I will do, I will write the numbers. What numbers? Which are comes in the table of 5, means multiples of 5 I will write. So 5, 10, let me take another number first, then 15, then 20, 25, then it is 30, then 35, it is 40 now, then 45, then 50, 55, and last I will write here 60. So what is happening? If Sunita is making a group of 5, so 1 is left. So if I will write 5, so it is a complete group, 1 is not remaining. So for that what I will do, I will just add 1 with this all multiples. So 5 plus 1 I will write 6, 10 plus 1 I will write 11, here I will write 15 plus 1, 16 I will write, 20 plus 1, 21, 25 plus 1 I will write 26, 30 plus 1, 31, 60 plus 1 I will write 61, 35 plus 1, 36, 41, 46, it is 51, and it is 56. So now here these numbers means 6, 11, 16, 12 means still 61. If we will make a group of 5, so 1 is remaining. How? For example, here is 11. So 11 means you can make 2 groups of 5. In first group you can put 5 seats, and in another group you can also put 5. So 5 and 5, 10, and what is remaining? 1. So in this way 1 is remaining in this all condition, in 6, 11, 16, 21. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to cross check with these all numbers, we have to cross check with 4 and also with 6. So let me take another number 6. So through the 6 I am checking out. So 6 here is, so if I will check 6, so it is complete making, so this is not that number. 11, okay, first group we will get of 6, and how much is remaining? 5 is remaining, so it is not also. 16, if we will make group of 6, so we will get 2 groups, 6 and 6, 12, and 4 is remaining. Okay, so it is not. 1 should be remaining, 1 is left only, not 4. So now make pairs for 21. So how many groups we can make? Yeah, 6 3 ja 18. So 3 groups we will make. So how many is remaining? 3 is remaining. So it is not. If we will make groups for 26, so how many groups we will make? 6 4 ja 24. So 4 groups are here made, and 2 is remaining. Okay, 2 is remaining, it means it is not. 1 should be remaining. Now here 6 5 ja 30. Yes, here we are making 5 and 1 is remaining, so it may be 31. Now let's check this 31 with 4. So as you know, 4 7 ja 28. Okay, so 7 groups we will make with 4, and how many is remaining? 2 is remaining. So it is not that number, because here we should get only 1 left seat. So here we are getting 2 left seat, so it is not that number. So leave this now. Now come to 61 direct. Okay, so in this way we are checking the all numbers. Now check to 61. So if we will make pairs for 61, so how many pairs we will make? So you will get 10. Okay, and how much is remaining? 1 is remaining here. 10 groups, 6 10 is 60, and 1 is remaining. So this, yeah, this number, I think it is answer. Now divide this number with 4. So you will make how many pairs? Yes, you will get 15 pairs. And how much is remaining? 1 is remaining. And with 5 it is also remaining 1. Okay, because 12 groups will make and 1 is remaining. So yes, we got that number, that is 61. Means if we divide 61 with 4, 5 and 6, so in all condition 1 is remainder. Okay, means 1 is left, 1 seed is left. So in this way we can say that 61 is that number. Now what is the another method? Yeah, this is a our mathematical solution, what you will do? Just you will find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, this you have done. LCM in addition and subtraction of fraction number, you have done it, LCM method. So first you will divide by 2, 2 2 is 4, 5 is not, so just bring down, and 2 3 is 6. Now next number, 2 1 is 2, 5 you will bring down and 3 you will bring down. Now divide by 3, so 3 1 is and 5 will bring down, so 5 1 is 5. So LCM is 2, 2, 3 and 5. So now what you will do? You will multiply this number, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is it is 60. And one seed is remaining in all time, so 60 plus 1, 61. So this is your answer. In this way you can get that number, and we have solved this puzzle. I hope that you have very well understand in this two way. Now second is more termite seeds. Okay, so we have second puzzle. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. Okay, first we can see here. Okay, she has make appears 4 4 horizontally and 3 in vertically. So total 12 imli seeds she has arranged. Now try to make more rectangle like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? Okay, so let's try to make it. So first you have to understand that 12 is a multiple of 3, 4 and 1. So only in this 3 way we can make, and also 12. Okay, in this 4 way we can make only. So first 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 10 11 12. So 3 by 4, in the format of 3 by 4 you can make a rectangle. Next is you can make 4 by 3, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, this is the second way. Third is 2 by 6. Oh sorry, I forgot it. You can make 2 by 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Yeah, in the format of 2 by 6 you can make. And next is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 you can make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Yes, it is 6 by 2. So in this 4 way you can make. Now come to the next question. Yeah, if there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? Okay, now we have 15. So first you have to find out that 15 is multiple of which numbers. So it is multiples of 3 and 5, and also it is 1 and 15, multiples of 1 and 15, but we will not take that. So we can arrange this number in the format of 3 and 5. So first we are arranging in 3 by 5. So 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is 3 by 5 rectangle. And next is 5 by 3. So how? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is 5 by 3 format. So only in two way you can arrange this tamarind seeds. I hope that you have very well understood this two puzzle. Now it's time to go, so I have to say goodbye. But before saying goodbye, one thing I want to say, that if you like this video, so do like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the comment box. Till then, bye.